hindi mamamatay yung ano, phone ko, ah.
Mahaba ba ito? Mahaba? Is this long?
Your Honor, it's only for 5 minutes. I think we are
Yeah,
now.
go ahead. Finish it. You know, you cannot deny that these things happen. The one appearing there as Mrs. Gloria Macapagal Arroyo is not a ghost. So, she traveled all the way from St. Luke's all the way to the airport. So these are facts, national facts known to the consciousness of the entire nation.
That is true, Your Honor. But the presentation of these facts must follow the rules.
Correct, I agree. But what rule is being violated by the way counsel?
The rule on authentication, Your Honor, because we have not even been shown the card from which.
Then let's wait until they finish the presentation.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay,
Yes, Your Honor.
proceed.
Mr. Witness, ano po ang relasyon ng video na ito na nakita niyo nating video ngayon?
Alam mo, ako na magtanong para madali.
Sige, Your Honor.
Nakita mo yung video.
Opo, Your Honor.
Yung bang video na yun, sinong kumuha?
Ako po, Your Honor.
Ikaw.
Opo.
Yung ba ay kailan mo kinuha?
Noong November 15 po yan. 2011.
Saan?
Sa airport po, sa NAIA 1 po.
Ito yung sinabi mo na kinuha mo sa oras na pagitan ng alas 8 ng gabi at alas 9 ng gabi.
Opo, Your Honor.
Tungkol kanino?
Kay CGMA po.
Sige, ayun. Boss.
May mga nakita rin po kami ibang tao doon sa video. Kilala niyo po ba sila?
That's vague, Your Honor.
Sige, pabayaan mo na. Kilala mo ba yung mga nandun na mga tao?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Yung mga kasama ni GMA?
Hindi po.
Hindi niyo na po kilala po.
You see, counsel, I'm not criticizing you, but you are overburdening your witness with details of which he is incompetent. He is just a cameraman. He does not know who is there. He is just taking picture
Yes,
of
Your Honor.
President,
Thank you.
former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo.
Thank you, Your Honor.
But anyway, go ahead.
We will proceed, Your Honor. Nung sinabi mo na kunan mo tong video na to at sinabi mo yung recording, anong ginawa mo doon sa video na iyong na-record?
Alin po yung...
Nung nabanggit mo kanina, na kinunan mo tong video na to at may recording ka nakuha, anong ginawa mo doon sa recording na yun?
nung nakapasok na si CGMA sa loob ng airport, so nagpahinga lang kaming saglit, tas and then required na po kami na i-turn over ng CF sa ENG van para ma-feed na yung materials, yung raw materials, para magamit na po ng office.
Ano po tong CF card po na?
Ito po yung bagong ano ngayon, bagong bala ng camera, compact flash.
Tapos ano po ang ginawa ninyo doon sa CF card na nasabi ninyo?
Pinid na po sa ABS-CBN.
Kanino po siya napunta sa ABS-CBN? Kung alam niyo lang po.
Sa
Sino po ang pinagbigyan niyo po sa
hindi
ABS-CBN?
ko alam kung sino.
What is the purpose of your question?
Your Honor, the counsel earlier, Your Honor, was questioning the authenticity of the evidence that we just
Are you
presented.
disputing the authenticity of this counsel for the defense of this documentary?
Ano? They have
Are
not-
you disputing it?
The recording itself, Your Honor, they have to authenticate it. But as the event that happened is public knowledge. But what we want is they comply with the
All
procedure
right, go
of
ahead if you want to be
authentication.
Your Honor,
technical about it.
for
Go ahead.
purposes of authentication, we will have to go to two things, Your Honor. Pursuant to the electronic evidence rule, we need to show the video, which the cameraman has already identified as his own. But after that, Your Honor, since it was a CF card that he actually established as the basis of the recording, we will then have to present, Your Honor, the custodian of the actual CF card, and then present, Your Honor, the person who actually gave the compact disc to this honorable court. So to save on the process, Your Honor, on that process, may we just ask the other party to stipulate if the compact disc that was actually given, Your Honor, by the ABS-CBN is actually the
Actually, I cannot speak for the defense, but may I address this question? Are you denying the fact that this happened, that it was recorded in this video, and that it depicts of an event? It does not say anything yet about it. The only thing it says that an event happened at the night,
November 15.
on November 15 between the hours of 8 and 9 in the evening, and it is represented here, and that it involves the presence of the former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo at Ninoy International Airport. So, for what purpose, we do not know why she was there. That's all. Do you deny that?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. May I extend my apologies to the entire
Yes.
court, Your Honor. I'm sorry,
No
I was
problem,
marooned
no
on the way. I wanted to fly, but I could not, Your Honor.
We understand. We understand.
Thank you, Your Honor. Now, I understand my dear compañero is asking for a stipulation relative to the diskette.
as authenticity of the compact disc that
I'm
was
sorry,
submitted.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. We have not seen this diskette. We do not know what the contents thereof are. Although,
We just viewed it.
yes, Your Honor, but we do not even know whether what we viewed comes from the diskette, Your Honor.
Actually, Your Honor, may I make a manifestation? Oh, sorry. Senior Brad. go ahead.
Thank you, Brad.
Ah,
Go ahead.
Can you show the diskette to them?
actually, Your Honor, may I make a manifestation, Your Honor?
Yes.
On February 14, Your Honor, during the pre-marking of exhibits, this compact disc was actually shown to the other counsel, Your Honor. I have the transcript right here. And this
You
was
pala eh.
Yeah, but was there any stipulation relative to what it is?
yes, Your Honor, but
It was shown and it was marked. That is all what the proceedings will show.
And-
We may be going too far, which is beyond what you are asking us to do.
in that case, Your Honor, if they will argue on the authenticity of the compact disc, we will be forced to present the head librarian of ABS-CBN to actually explain how how the SF card became a compact disc.
Not that we are disputing what you are trying to claim now, but what we are telling the Honorable Court is that we are not in a position to enter into any stipulation relative to the authenticity of that diskette. Is that beyond our capability, being the defense of the Chief Justice Corona? Or you would like us to just admit whatever you want us to admit? I'm sorry, Your Honor. I should have addressed it to the court, Your Honor. I wanted to accommodate, as what the court will notice before, when we are in a position to admit, they are merely asking for a stipulation. We already admit, Your Honor, just to cut short the proceedings, Your Honor. We are sorry that we have gone this far in our attempt to at least make the proceedings entirely conformable to what is known as due process, Your Honor. We never had waived any of our rights, Your Honor.
Counsel.
If they will not stipulate as the authenticity of the compact, this, Your Honor, we will then present the head librarian of ABS-CBN.
Do you have the head librarian here?
Yes, Your Honor, we
All
have her
right,
here.
Then bring her.
We have no more questions, Your Honor, to the cameraman.
Do you have any cross on this witness? Or are you going to postpone the cross until you start with the cross of the
I wanted to start, Your Honor, just to show our cooperation to the Honorable Court, Your Honor. But definitely we are not in a position to conduct any intelligible cross-examination. We were not privy to the direct examination. May we humbly request, Your Honor?
They did not, well, they only asked whether he took this video. That's all. All that the witness said, I took this video on this day, between these these hours, and it involves the former president. And that's he knew. He knew the former president.
We will still, with due apologies, Your Honor, and with the indulgence of this Honorable Court, we will still plead that we be allowed to go over the direct examination of the witness.
So you
Your Honor.
want to postpone your cross on this witness?
Yes, Your Honor, even by tomorrow, if
All right.
there'll be no more atrocious
What is the
traffic.
pressure of the prosecution?
Your Honor, may we ask our lead prosecutor for Article 7 to express his concern?
Yes.
Actually, Your Honor, nagpumayag kami sa proposal ng depensa kanina na hintayin ang defense counsel. Tapos later on na i-direct na lang muna ang witness at subject to cross pagdating. Kasi po gusto naman po naming bilisan. Ayaw na po naming humaba pa ang mga testimony po. Simple lang po talagang testimony ng cameraman po eh. Akong kumuha niyan. Ngayon, actually, public knowledge na halos to ang sa airport po eh. Kaya nagulat kami na pati yung authenticity, ipang presenta pa kami ng additional witness. So, para sa amin po, kung maaari lang po, siguro, mag-recess ng 5 minutes, tingnan po ng defense counsel, yung transcript, iksi lang naman po ang yung direct ng aming counsel. So,
anyway,
if he can cross na ngayon po, para hindi na
para
mapostpone.
hindi na matatagal pa, I will suspend the cross-examination. Proceed with your next witness.
Well, thank you, Your Honor. The next witness is the next part is the continuation of the cross.
The witness is ordered to stay. Doon sa bumaba ka sa witness stand at huwag kang alis.
Opo, yung continuation na po ng cross na ni-request ng defense counsel po kahapon, ang naka-pending po ngayon.
Ipasok na ninyo yung librarian ninyo para matapos itong issue
Yung
nito.
librarian po,
Oo.
sige po. We would like
para
to...
hindi putol-putol ito.
Opo, sige po. Attorney Alpareño for the...
ebidensya. Call the librarian.
May we ask Ms. Rochelle Inoncilio Mendez to please come to the witness stand.
If that lady is not available yet, Your Honor, may I be permitted to continue with my cross-examination of the previous
No,
witness
it's
who had taken the stand?
better, counsel, for us to finish this while it is fresh in the memory of everyone and finish the presentation of this videotape before the court will allow you to cross-examine the first cameraman of ABS-CBN.
Okay then, thank you very much, Your Honor.
Madam Witness, please remain standing. Raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this impeachment proceeding?
Opo.
So help you God.
Proceed.
Madam Witness, please state your name and other personal circumstances for the record.
Ako po si Rochelle Inoncilio Mendez, Head ng News Library of ABS-CBN.
Your Honor, we are offering the testimony of the witness to prove the following material allegations found in the complaint, to identify and authenticate electronic evidence for the prosecution, specifically the compact discs which were submitted to the Honorable Court, and other related matters to the impeachment complaint.
By the way, I'll just make a preliminary question so that wala nang maraming. Nung bang November 15, pumasok ka? November 15, 2011, pumasok ka sa trabaho mo? Sa ABS-CBN?
Hindi ko po sigurado, pero kung weekday po, malamang nandun po ako sa ABS-CBN.
November 15, ha? Ngayon, nasa ABS-CBN ka na noong November 15, 2011. Empleyado ka na.
I-check kung anong araw.
Empleyado ka na.
Ay, apo.
Oh, ikaw ang librarian noong araw na yon.
Apo.
Oh, ngayon. Ano ang trabaho mo bilang librarian?
Ako po yung in charge to oversee the news library operations. Kami po yung in charge
Ano ang operation ng library ng ABS-CBN?
Kami po yung nagre-release at nagre-receive ng mga CF cards.
Nagre-receive at nagre-release.
Ng CF cards and tapes sa...
Ano yung CF card?
CF cards, ito po yung media na ginagamit ng cameraman pagka magko-cover po.
Kung kumukuha sila ng mga video clip.
Opo.
Oh, sige.
Thank you, Your Honor. Nabanggit mo kanina na nag-receive kayo ng mga CF cards. Paano nyo po siya nire-receive?
Upon return to base, yung cameraman po or yung driver niya, dadalhin sa news library yung CF card. And then kami po, ilalag namin, lalagyan namin ng material number, and then i-turn over po namin o i-forward sa media management room para po ma-ingest or ma-transfer po sa server yung laman.
Mabalik lang ako sandali. Bilang head librarian, ano yung ginagawa mo? Ano yung mga functions nyo po?
Ako po yung in charge to oversee nga po the operations, in-ensure po na merong enough CF cards and tapes sa mga cameraman. Kami rin po yung naglalag at naglalagay ng mga short description, shot list dun sa mga video coverage.
At sino nabanggit mo kanina na kayo rin ang nag-receive nito, sino, pagka na-receive nyo na to, sino lang ang pwedeng humawak sa mga video clips or sa CF cards na inyong nabanggit?
Ang news library personnel lamang po.
At sino po, kanina po nagre-report yung news library personnel po na yan?
Sa head po ng Media Asset Management Department.
Kayo ang custodian ng mga video clips.
Opo.
Nasa library ninyo yan.
Opo.
Oh. Sige.
Thank you, Your Honor. At pag may kailangan po, sinabi mo rin kanina na kayo ang nagre-release ng mga video cards, ba ang tawag doon?
CF cards.
CF cards. Pag may humihingi po ng kopya ng CF cards nito, ano po ang inyong ginagawa?
Kapag may humihingi po ng kopya, usually po nanghihingi kami ng request. And then, based dun sa request po, kung ano po yung nakalagay doon, hinahanap po namin sa logs or sa catalogs namin kung meron kaming ganung video po.
Tapos kung may nakita po kayo ng ganoong videos, ano po ang inyong ginagawa?
Kailangan pa po itong i-approve po ng kung sino po yung nag-cover or yung usually po head po ng news gathering kung pwede namin i-provide pag may nag-request. And then, pag in-approve po, isa-select po namin yung video na kailangan, then ipapadala namin sa dubbing section para po ma-burn into sa CD.
Sa CD po. At napansin po namin kanina sa video na meron nakalagay na naka-inscribe sa taas. Paki-describe po yung, kung natatandaan niyo po yung...
Property of ABS-CBN.
Yes, thank you, Your Honor. Yung property of ABS-CBN, ano po iyon?
Standard violator po yun sa mga lahat ng nagre-request po ng video sa ABS-CBN.
Nabanggit niyo po kanina na ang binibigay niyo po ay compact disc, tama po ba?
Opo.
Kayo po ay nasabpina ng hukumang ito. Natanggap niyo po ba ito?
Opo.
At ayon po sa sabpina, kayo po ay naatasa mag-submit po sa amin ng 7 compact disc. Dala niyo po ba itong mga compact disc na ito po?
Yung mga compact disc po ay sinabit po namin sa Senate Secretary.
Pag pinakita ko ba itong mga compact disc na ito, ay makikilala niyo po ba ito?
Opo.
Your Honor, may we...
Proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Approach the witness.
May pinapakita po ako sa inyong compact disc. A cover ng compact disc which was previously marked as Exhibit Octopol T-1. Pwede pong paki-describe kung ano po itong label na nasa ibabaw po ng compact disc.
Yung nilabelan po namin ng video 1 para ma-identify po ito po yung number nung nakalagay sa subpoena. So, bali, ina-identify po nito yung about the press briefing po.
Pwede niyo po bang buksan ang compact disc po na yan, compact disc case po na yan? At sa loob po, for the record, may nakikita po tayong compact disc na merong nakalagay na Exhibit Octopol, previously marked as Exhibit Octopol T with the date February 14, 2012, which I am showing to the defense right now. And below that are the words Maidas Marquez, press briefing November 15, 2011. Ano po ang relasyon nitong CD na to sa sinabina po ng korte?
Nandito po yung hinihingi po dun sa subpoena na may mga enumerate po silang mga detalye na nandito po sa CD na ito.
Ito po ba yung video showing the press briefing of Supreme Court spokesman Maidas Marquez on November 15, 2011 ay pinakita po sa atin ni Edmond Losalia?
Opo.
Thank you. May pinapakita po ako sa inyong case ng compact disc entitled Video 2 ABS-CBN, previously marked as Exhibit Octopol U-1 with the date of February 14, 2012. Ano po itong label po na ito sa ibabaw ng compact disc case?
Video 2 po, ibig sabihin, ito po yung number 2 item dun sa subpoena.
Ito po ba yung video showing Attorney Ferdinand Topacio's statement on the preparation of payment of cash bond on November 15, 2011 na describe po ni Mr. Edmond Losalia?
Opo.
Sa loob po ng compact disc case po na to, maaari niyo po bang buksan? Ay meron po isang compact disc previously marked as Exhibit Octopol U with the date February 14, 2012. Sa ilalim po nito, meron nakalagay na pangalang Attorney Ferdinand Topacio, November 15, 2011. At tapos may nakalagay number 2. Ano po ang relasyon nito sa compact disc na binanggit niyo po kanina?
Nandito po yung video na naglalaman ng statement ni Attorney Topacio.
Pwede pong i-clarify, nakalagay po dito kasi DVD. Ano ho ba yung difference ng DVD sa yung compact disc na binabanggit nyo kanina?
Hindi po ako masyadong sa technical para po ma-explain kung ano yung difference po ng CD at DVD. Pero lahat po kasi ng format na nire-release ng ABS ay DVD.
So ito yung lahat ng binabanggit mo kanina na compact disc, ito po ay ito rin po ay DVD. Tama po ba?
Tama po.
May pinapakita po ako sa inyong compact disc with the words Video 3 ABS-CBN, previously marked as Exhibit Octopol V-1, February 14, 2012. Ano po ang relasyon nito sa video showing the representative of former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo about to process the payment of cash bond at the Supreme Court na dinescribe ni Edmond Losalia kahapon po?
Nandito po sa CD na to yung video po na dinescribe nga din po sa item 3.
At pwede pong pakibuksan po itong case po na to.
Ano yung item 3? Item 3 ng?
Go ahead.
Yun po yung video na pinapakita yung according dun po sa subpoena na about to process the payment po
Item
naman.
3 ng subpoena.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sige.
Sa loob po nito ay may compact disc previously marked as Exhibit DVD, previously marked as Exhibit Octopol V with the dates February 14, 2012. And below that are the words posting/payment of cash bond at the Supreme Court, November 15, 2011. Ano po ang relasyon nito sa sinampina po sa inyong DVD na nabanggit nyo kanina?
Ang CD po nito ang naglalaman nung pong video na nasa item 3 ng subpoena.
Salamat po. May pinapakita po ako sa inyong compact disc case at sa labas po nito may nakasulat na Exhibit Octuple W-1, February 14, 2012, Video 4, ABS-CBN. Anong relasyon po nito sa sinampina sa inyo na video showing the arrival of former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo at the airport on November 15, 2011 na ipinakita po ni Danny Piedad kanina?
Itong CD po na to ang naglalaman nung video na pinakita po kanina.
Sa loob po nito ay merong DVD. Ano po itong DVD na to? Previously marked as Exhibit Octuple W, Video 4, February 14, 2012. Below that are the words GMA to NAIA, November 15, 2011.
Nilalaman po nito yung video na sinasabing attempted travel ni CGMA.
Thank you. May pinapakita po ako sa inyong DVD case.
Ano yung sinabi nung witness? Attempted?
Attempted travel.
Attempted travel.
Thank you, Your Honor. May pinapakita po ako sa inyong compact DVD case na merong salitang Video 5 ABS-CBN Exhibit Octuple X-1 February 14, 2012. Ano po itong nakamarka po na ito sa labas?
Video 5 po, nag-identify po ito dun sa item 5 na nabanggit po sa subpoena.
Sa loob po nito ay merong isang DVD case, maaari niyo po mang buksan. At sa DVD na po nito ay merong Exhibit Octuple X, February 14, 2012. At nakalagay po sa ilalim, Arrest of GMA by virtue of warrant of arrest issued by Judge Jesus Mupas. Ano po ang relasyon nito sa nasabpina sa inyo? Item number 5, video of the press briefing of Acting Director Bucayo and the arrest of former Chief Superintendent Joel Coronel on the release of warrant of arrest and the arrest of former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo.
Yung CD po na to ang naglalaman nung press briefing on the arrest of CGMA.
Thank you. Dalawa na lang po.
Who conducted the press briefing? Who made the press briefing?
Your Honor, according to the subpoena, it is Acting Director, Senior Superintendent James Bucayo, and CRPO, CIDG Chief, and then Senior Superintendent Joel Coronel.
All right.
May pinapakita po ako sa inyong CD case at nakalagay po sa labas ay may label na Video 6 ABS-CBN with the marking Exhibit Octuple Y-1, February 14, 2012. Ano po ang relasyon nito? Ano po ang relasyon nito sa aming hininging video showing Supreme Court spokesman Midas Marquez on November 16, 2011 in Head Start?
Yung CD po na to ang naglalaman ng item 6 doon po sa subpoena.
Pwede hong mapabuksan ng CD. Sa loob po nito ay meron isang compact disc at sa compact disc na DVD, exhibit
Ano ba yung, nakalimutan ko na, ano ba yung item
6, Your Honor.
sa subpoena?
Your Honor, this is the video showing Supreme Court spokesman Midas Marquez on November 16, 2011 in Head Start, Your Honor.
Okay.
ANC.
Go ahead.
Ano ang relasyon ng DVD na to sa nabanggit ko po?
Ang DVD po na to ang naglalaman nung statement ni spokesperson Midas Marquez.
Salamat po. At panghuli po, meron po ditong DVD case with the label Video 7 ABS-CBN, previously marked as Exhibit Octuple Z-1. Ano po ang relasyon nito sa aming sinampina, sa sinampina ng court na to na video showing the press briefing of Midas Marquez on November 21, 2011?
Itong DVD po na to ang naglalaman nung item 7 na nakalagay po sa subpoena.
Sa loob po nito ay may isang DVD. Sa DVD po na ito ay merong marking Exhibit Octuple Z, February 14, 2012, with the word statement of Midas Marquez regarding the TRO issued to GMA on November 20, 2011. Ano po itong DVD po na ito?
Ang DVD po na ito ay naglalaman ng press briefing po ni spokesperson Marquez.
Thank you. Your Honor, one last question. Sa pagprepara po ba ng DV na to ay meron kayong nakasama na taga-prosecution o defense?
Wala po.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Okay, cross.
With the kind permission of the Honorable Court, Your Honor.
Do you want to suspend your cross here? and
We
then
will,
Go
with the Court's permission, we will proceed with our cross-examination now, Your Honor.
with this lady.
Yes, Your Honor, because we heard her direct examination.
Proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Now, there are magandang hapon po, Ginoong Madam Witness. Meron pong 7 video dito na in-identify kayo. Tama ho ba?
Opo.
At bawat isa sa kanila mayroon label. Halimbawa, yung video A showing press briefing of Supreme Court spokesman Maidas Marquez on November 15, 2011. Tama ho ba yon?
Tama po.
Kayo ho ba ang naglagay nitong showing press briefing of Supreme Court kwan? Or yung inyong photographer?
Hindi po ako. Yung dating,
Wala kayong kinalaman dyan sa pagkakalagay ng label na yan.
Yung nakasulat po sa DVD mismo, hindi po ako yung nagsulat.
Ganon din ho ba ang sagot ninyo doon sa musunod na mga video? Halimbawa, video 2 showing Attorney Ferdinand Tupacio's statement on the preparation of payment of cash bond on November 15, 2011. Ganon
Opo.
din po, wala kayong kinalaman doon.
Hindi po
Sino
ako
po ang-
nagsulat.
At ganon din ang inyong sagot doon sa mga sumusunod na video. Wala kayong kinalaman, wala kayong participation sa nakalagay doong statement. Tama ho ba yon?
Opo.
Opo. Sino po ang sino naglagay po nito? Kung alam ninyo o hindi rin ninyo alam.
Yung dubbing personnel po namin ang nag-label po ng mga DVDs.
Hindi kayo kaharap ng nilalagay yan.
Hindi po.
O, nasa inyong opisina kayo.
Opo.
At yun naman sinasabi ninyong yung tao ninyo na gumawa ng labeling nito, hiwalay ang opisina sa inyong lugar. Tama ho ba?
Tama po.
Sa pagkatwid po, kung sinasabi ritong video showing press briefing of Supreme Court spokesman Maidas Marquez on November 15, 2011, hindi ninyo maaring na patibayan na ito nga totoong briefing ni Attorney Marquez. Tama ho ba?
Objection, Your Honor.
What is the
Your Honor,
What is the objection?
the defense counsel, Your Honor, is asking for a conclusion of law to the witness.
Tinatanong lang niya.
Actual lang. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Go ahead. What is your answer, defense counsel?
Napanood ko po
No,
yung
no,
laman.
yung si defense counsel muna
I
dahil
was asking her, Your Honor, for a factual basis, Your Honor, because there were statements here made that it was a press briefing of Supreme Court spokesman Maidas Marquez on November 15, 2011.
witness may answer.
Pagka burn po nito sa DVD, pinanood ko po yung kopya at ikinumpara ko po dun sa source po na video.
Hindi kayo kaharap ng magkaroon ng press briefing na yan.
Hindi po.
Pati yung nakalagay na pecha rito, hindi ninyo alam at hindi rin ninyo mapatutunayan sa husgado na totoo yun. Tama ho ba?
Hindi po.
Hindi po. Ang ibig niyo sabihin hindi, wala kayong kinalaman doon sa press briefing na yon.
Wala po.
Alright. Now, doon po sa sinasabing video number 2 showing Attorney Ferdinand Tupacio's statement on the preparation of payment of gas bond on November 15, 2011, hindi rin po kayo kasangkot dyan sa video na yan.
Hindi rin po.
Ang nalalaman lamang ninyo, may inintriga sa inyong DVD ba yun? Compact
card.
this for your safekeeping as librarian of ABC. Tama ho ba yun? Tama ba? Tama po.
Opo.
Tama. Alright. Now,
Sandali lang. Anong kaiba ng CF card at saka yung DVD?
Yung CF card po, compact flash, maliit lang po siya na memory card na ginagamit po sa camera po.
Iba yun sa compact disc na yan.
Iba po. Yung DVD po, ito po yung ginagamit naming media pag po magpa-provide kami ng copy ng videos.
Sige. Go ahead.
alinsunod sa inyo, kung tama ako, ang pagkaunawa ko, ni-review ninyo itong, DVD ba ang tawag po dito?
DVD po.
BD, opo. Ni-review ninyo. Alright. Now, ito pong sinasabi ditong showing Ferdinand Marcos statement. Ferdinand Tupacio's statement. Ito po, may nakita kayong tao. Ganun
Meron
ba?
po.
May nakita kayong tao. Tama ho ba?
Tama po.
Pero hindi ninyo mapatutunayan sa husgado na siya nga si Ferdinand Topacio. O kilala ninyo siya?
Napapanood ko na po siya sa mga news.
Hindi ho yun ang tanong ko sa inyo. Ang tanong ko, hindi kung yung napapanood, kundi kilala ba nyo siya? Hindi nyo kilala.
Kaya ko pong i-identify si Ferdinand.
Ang ibig nyo sabihin, kilala nyo siya.
Opo.
Ano yung sinasabi ritong statement on the preparation of payment of cash bond? Nasaksihan ba nyo yun?
Hindi po.
Hindi po. So wala kayong kamalay-malay sa kung ano yung transaksyon na nakita ninyo si Ferdinand Topacio na nasa video na yan. Tama po. Hindi rin ninyo
Sabihin mo lang yung answer mo.
Sagutin po ninyo.
Sagutin mo.
Wala po akong alam doon.
Hindi rin ninyo alam kung ano yung sinasabing pagbabayad or pagdideposto na ginawa niya. Tama ho ba ako?
Tama po.
May sinasabi ditong cash bond allegedly made or paid on November 15, 2011. Saan ninyo kinuha tong statement na ito kung hindi ninyo alam ang mga pangyayari?
Meron pong ID ang bawat video po. Meron po siyang shot list.
Sa
Andun
mga
po nakabit.
ang inyong deklarasyon tungkol dito sa nilalaman ng video nito, batay lang sa inyong nabasa. Wala kayong kinalaman sa katotohanan o kung yan nga ay naganap o hindi.
Tama po.
Tama po.
Your Honor, at this point, may I just make a quick objection, Your Honor?
Yeah, please.
Your Honor, the Defense Counsel makes statement about wala daw siyang kinalaman dito sa mga bagay na ito, Your Honor. Your Honor, we already presented the cameraman to actually authenticate the events as it transpired. Your Honor, this witness is just being presented to present the
Anyway,
actual combat disc.
I'm cross-examining him here, Your Honor, not on the basis of the statement of any witness. That
That's
is
not
illegal.
Wait a minute, counsel.
Yes, Your Honor.
Your witness is under cross. Let the cross-examiner ask the question. I know what you are after, and there is a rule on this.
Yes, Your Honor. Please submit, Your Honor.
Proceed.
Allegedly, based on this second video, payment of cash bond was allegedly made on November 15, 2011. I suppose you also have no personal knowledge about this.
Tama po.
And this information came from your cameraman.
Hindi ko po sigurado kung sa kanila po nanggaling.
Saan po nanggaling itong information ninyo relative to the alleged payment of cash bond on November 15, 2011?
Meron pong shot list, yung bawat video po, na meron po kaming isang grupo ng writers na naglalagay po ng description.
Pero ang aking pagkakaunawa, wala kayong kinalaman o hindi kayo kasangkot doon sinasabing pagbabayad ng cash bond na yon, more especially on November 15, 2011. Tama ho ba ako?
Tama po.
Tama po, alright. Now, yung pong video number 3, showing the representative of former President Gloria Arroyo about to process the payment of cash bond. Ito bang ito ho ba'y saan ang galing sa inyo? Nakita ho ba ninyo ito? Pangyayari nito?
Hindi
O,
po.
sumagot, ulat lang sa inyo ito. Ulat lang sa inyo.
Tama po.
Hindi ninyo maaring patunayan sa husgado o tindigan sa husgado na katotohanan ang nakalagay dito. Tama po? Alright. Now, sino po itong sinasabi ditong representative of former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo? Hindi rin po ninyo alam.
Hindi ko po alam yung pangalan. Nilagay lang po naming representative. Dahil
Sa inyo
siya
nang
po
galing yon. Hindi yun ang ulat, hindi yun ang tunay na pangyayari na siya representative ni former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. Tama po ko?
Tama po.
Tama, alright. Now, yung po sinasabi ditong about to process the payment of cash bond at the Supreme Court. Alam ba ninyo kung saan naganap ito? Kung hindi rin po.
Hindi rin po.
Alright. So itong sinasabi rito, hindi ninyo mapatutunayan totoo sapagkat hindi ninyo nasaksihan. Tama ho ba ako?
Wala po ako dun sa lugar na yon nung
Tama
nangyari.
po. Alright. Thank you po. Now, yung po sinasabi dito sa video D, showing the arrival of former President Gloria Arroyo at the airport on November 15, 2011. Ito dito. Nakalagay sa papers at ibinabalita sa radyo. Tama ho ba yun?
Tama po.
Pero kung paano siya na-aresto, kung kailan at kung saan, hindi ninyo matitindigan sa harap ng kagalang-galang na hukumang ito. Tama ho ba?
Tama po.
Ito po sinasabi nitong video showing, paragraph F, Supreme Court spokesman Maides Marquez on November 16 in Head Start. Hindi rin po ninyo nasaksihan ito.
Hindi po.
Batay, ito pong nakalagay ditong statement, wala kayong kinalaman po rito. Naglagay nito, yun lang empleyado ninyo.
Yung statement po, ako po ang naglagay.
Ito po, itong video showing court spokesman Maides Marquez on November 16, 2011. Tama ba yan?
Opo.
Kayo naglagay nito? Liwanagin nyo.
Saan niyo po? Hindi po yun yung nilagay ko po. Pwede
hindi.
pong pakiulit.
Po. Meron pong nakalagay dito sa video app, ano po? Video showing Supreme Court spokesman Maides Marquez on November 16 in Head Start, ANC. Kayo ba ang naglagay nito?
Your Honor, may we ask the defense counsel to please show the video that he is asking the witness to identify?
You made her identify all these things subpoena. I'm just reading from the subpoena.
Exactly.
You answer.
You would like-
The witness may answer, Filos.
Your Honor, yung nabasa niyo po ay yun po yung nakalagay sa subpoena. Hindi po yun yung nanggaling sa amin na description.
Oho. Wala kayong kinalaman dyan. Ibig sabihin, wala kayong participation, hindi kayo naglagay niyan, at hindi ninyo alam kung paano napalagay yan dyan. Tama ho ba?
Hindi po.
Ano pong hindi? Hindi nyo alam.
Hindi ko po alam.
Ayun. Now, yung sa makatid po, itong tinutukoy ditong showing spokesman Maides Marquez on November 16, 2011, hindi, alam ba ninyo kung ano yung conference na yon na tinutukoy dito? Baka sakali alam ninyo, pakisabi nga ninyo sa kagalang-galang na hukuman.
November 16.
Ayun po nakalagay dito, binabasa
Sa
ko.
Head Start.
Opo. Hindi, wala kayong kinalaman dyan.
Wala po.
Wala, alright. Yung pong isa, yung video showing the press briefing of Maides Marquez on November 21 2011. Hindi rin ninyo alam to.
Wala rin po ako doon personally.
Yung press briefing na yon naganap na, hindi naman ninyo nasaksihan in person.
Hindi po.
Hindi ninyo nadinig si Attorney Marquez making the press briefing.
Hindi po.
Yung lugar na pinaganapan ng press briefing, hindi rin nyo alam.
Hindi po.
So, summarizing your statement now, I'm inclined to believe that you came here only to identify the various compact dishes that were presented by the prosecution.
Objection,
Tama ho
Your
ba yan?
Honor.
What is the basis of objection?
What's the pleasure?
Your Honor, that's he is misleading the witness to merely identify, Your Honor, when she is here actually to both authenticate and
I'm sorry,
identify
Your
the
Honor.
individuals.
Actually, if I remember correctly, the prosecution stated into the record that this witness was being presented to identify and authenticate certain
Exactly, Your Honor.
electronic
DVDs.
discs.
Yes, Your Honor.
I think 6 or 7 of them.
Seven, Your
Your
Honor.
Honor.
All right. And that's actually what she did. Isn't it? So,
Yes, sir.
see my answer. Go ahead.
Pwede pong pakiulit
Witness
yung
may answer.
tanong.
Sa mga tweet po, pagkakaunawa ko sa kabuuan ng inyong deklarasyon ngayong hapon sa kagalang-galang na hukuman, parang humarap kayo dito para lang identify yung mga ano ba tawag doon?
Identify
Compact discs.
at i-authenticate
Yung
yung mga
compact dishes.
pitong compact dishes na ipresenta ng prosecution sa iyo.
Tama po.
Oh, yun.
I am now inclined to believe that these statements appearing on top of this disc that you identified were merely hearsay insofar as you are concerned because you do not know them personally. Am I right?
Objection, Your Honor.
What is the basis?
What's the objection?
The defense counsel is asking for a conclusion of law. Hearsay, Your Honor, is a statement of law which the witness might not even be familiar with.
There were various preliminary. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
No, go ahead. Go ahead.
There were previous preliminary questions that this representation made, Your Honor, and there was a clear admission on the part of this witness, Your Honor, that she has nothing to do. She does not know anything about this. So this is merely in summation of the totality of her statement, Your Honor.
You want the chair to rule?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. The witness was presented here as the librarian of the ABS-CBN, whose function was and is to be the custodian of these materials that were seven,
Your Honor.
DVDs, electronic discs.
Yes, Your Honor.
That were presented here and which she identified and authenticated. She was the one who received the CF cards for each of these video clips or compact discs. And she was also the one who released them for the purposes of this proceeding. Is that correct, Madam Witness?
That is correct.
Okay. Now, she is therefore competent to testify about the existence of these materials which are in her custody. To the extent that the compact discs exist and are the originals of which are in her custody, and that the one presented to the court are faithful reproduction or replication of those original CF cards under her custody as a librarian of ABS-CBN. She is a competent witness to testify on that fact. as to the contents of this compact disc, the real evidence would be the compact evidence themselves. So let the compact disc become a part of the testimony of the witness, and whatever are the impressions depicted in each of the compact discs, the real evidence will be those individual compact discs themselves. So ordered.
Thank you, Your Honor.
If the court, may we make a short manifestation, Your Honor?
Proceed.
If the court will notice, Your Honor, we never dispute, much less do we controvert, that the 7 discs identified by the witness were in her possession by reason of her function as alleged chief librarian of ABS-CBN, Your Honor. What we are contradicting, Your Honor, is the fact that the labeling made do not appear to be made by her personally. She cannot even explain who made this labeling, Your Honor.
Well,
Only that particular aspect, Your Honor.
You're correct. You are correct. That to that extent, she herself admitted, that's an admission,
Yes.
that she's ignorant of those labeling.
That,
And so those are in the record.
yes, Your Honor. Those are
So the admission of a witness against the one presenting is an evidence adverse to the presenting party, isn't it?
yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
So,
So, but
our
to the extent of the contents of
Yes,
the
Your Honor.
truthfulness or lack of truthfulness, accuracy or inaccuracy of the contents of the disc gets presented to her, you're correct that those are hearsay to her.
Thank
So
you.
therefore, the real evidence will be the diskette themselves.
Yes, Your Honor.
And those are apparent to any viewer of the diskette.
Correct, Your Honor.
Okay. So order.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Were you in any way privy to the subject matter of this
May
press?
I beg your indulgence? Let's suspend the trial for 1 minute.
1 long minute, Your Honor.
Yes.
Thank you.
po sa inyo lahat. As we mentioned earlier that today would be the continuous cross-examination of our witness, the first cameraman of ABS-CBN with regard to the press conference of Midas Marquez. Ang napansin lang po namin, nung hindi dumating sa tamang panahon si Justice Cuevas, hindi makapag-cross yung defense counsel. Akala namin handang-handa rin po sila mag-cross, no? So ang tanong, is the case of the defense solely dependent on Justice Cuevas, or it is dependent also on the other members of the defense team? Pangalawa, ang napansin lang nga po namin kahapon, yung mga testigo naman po just to authenticate, no, yung nakuha po nila, pero sa line of questioning nga pinapasukan po nila yung kung alam nila yung kinuna nila, ano yung TRO, kung immediately executory pa ho yan, wala naman kinalaman po ang cameraman po yan. Yan po ay taga-dokumento lang po ng events na nangyari. At ganun rin po ang nakita po natin ngayon sa pagtatanong po sa hindi lamang sa cameraman sa event na nangyari po sa NAIA 1 nung si dating Pangulong GMA nagtakang tumakas, no, pero sa librarian, sa custodian rin po, ganun rin po ang tinatanong po ng defense counsel. So dapat natapos na po ito, madali lang, natapos na po ito, pero nagpapahaba lang po sa proseso. So patuloy pa rin po namin na iprepresenta itong events, no? At gusto rin po namin sabihin yung binanggit po ni Attorney Midas Marquez kanina, kung saan pinagbawalan talaga yung dalawang empleyado ng Korte Suprema. Yan ay masabi po natin kaintulad po ng nagsimula na kagad si Kwan. Kaintulad po ng Executive Order 464, no, kung saan kailangan humingi ng permiso ang empleyado sa NBank kung sila'y papayagan o hindi, at ganun rin po yung ginawa po ni dating Pangulong Arroyo nung siya po'y Pangulo. Pinagbawalan po ang mga members of the cabinet to testify without her consent. Break muna tayo dahil
Mr. Lusalia here?
Yes, Your Honor.
Will you bring him in for cross-examination?
He's on his way, Your Honor.
Nandito na pala si Mr. Lusalia, kaya kanina hindi ko na nakilala siya.
Poging-poging ngayon.
Thank you po.
Under the same oath.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Proceed.
With the court's kind permission, Your Honor.
Proceed.
I recall that when you took the witness stand last time, nung una po kayong tumistigo, ang binanggit ninyo doon sa video ninyo, pangyayaring naganap nung November 15, 2010.
Yes po.
Tama. At yun po
Your Honor, may just make a minor objection, Your Honor. As to the date, since it will go into the record.
Yes.
The counsel mentioned November 2010.
2011.
Yes, 2010. That's what the defense counsel said. It is 2011, di ba?
Yeah, 2000. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Yeah.
I stand corrected then. Thank you for the
Thank you.
for the suggestion.
Correct. Go ahead.
At no, may we continue now, Your Honor?
Please, go ahead.
Alright. And yung pong press conference na yun, na inyong kinuna ng video, pagkatapos pagkatapos ng sesyon in bank ng kagalang-galang kataas-tasang hukuman. Tama ho ba yun? O hindi ninyo alam yun?
Pakiulit po yung tanong, sir.
At yung video ninyong, yung pangyayari na kinuna ninyo ng video noong November 15 to 2011, pagkatapos lamang ng session in bank ng kagalang-galang o kataas-tasang hukuman. Alam mo ba ninyo yun o hindi?
Hindi po, sir.
O paano po nagkaroon ng, paano ba nyo nakuna ng video to? Sa sarili ninyong kagustuhan o may nag-utos sa inyo? Utos ng inyong nakataas?
Inutos lang po yun, sir, ng aking reporter na may press con po, kaya po kami tumakbo at nag-transfer po sa Supreme Court building.
Sino po yung...
Saan kayo nang galing?
Sa DOJ Department po.
Malayo yung Korte Suprema. Magkalapit lang, ano?
Halos magkalapit lang po,
sige.
Your Honor.
Sino po yung nagsabi sa inyo na mayroong magaganap na press conference?
Ang reporter ko po na si Miss Ina Reformina.
The way I understood it, she was your immediate superior. Siya po superior ninyo.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Now, is there any particular importance of any event that you feel you are supposed to cover on that particular day? Meron ho bang mahalagang pangyayari na dapat ninyo makover na naganap nung araw na yon? November 15, 2011.
Dito po sa duty ko sa Department of Justice tsaka Supreme Court, everyday po kaming nandyan. At kung ano po yung nagiging issue o mga rallies sa labas, kino-cover po namin yon.
Hindi ninyo sinasagot ang aking tanong sa inyo. Ang tanong ko sa inyo ay ganito. Meron ho bang hindi pangkaraniwang pangyayari na naganap noong November 15 na kinailangan coveran ninyo ng video, ng inyong video? O wala?
Wala naman po.
Wala. So hindi ninyo alam kung ano ang inyong coveran na yon?
Hindi pa po.
Alright. Niyon si Attorney Maidas ng Supreme Court, hindi ninyo alam na siya ay magkukomperensya o alam ninyo antimano?
Hindi pa po.
Hindi rin. Hindi rin ninyo alam kung ano ang dahilan at magpe-press conference siya?
Hindi pa rin po.
Nung matapos ninyong makuha ng video yung press conference yan, nalaman ba nyo kung ano ang dahilan? Bakit siya nag-press conference?
Nalaman ko na lang po na TRO po yon, pero hindi po ako nag-focus doon.
Anong ibig
nag-focus na lang po ako sa video and audio po na kailangan naming maipit sa...
Anong ibig ninyo sabihin na alaman ninyo TRO yun? Ano pong ibig ninyo ipahiwatig o ipaalam sa kagalang-galang na hukuman?
Dahil po once na nag-set up po kami ng camera, chinecheck po namin ang audio. So, doon po sa pag-monitor namin ng audio na habang nagsasalita si Attorney Maidas Marquez, doon ko po narinig na may binanggit siyang TRO.
So baka pwede yung pong TRO na binabanggit ninyo, nalaman ninyo lamang samantalang nagsasalita na.
Opo.
Nagpe-press conference na si Mr.
Yes
Marquez.
Po. Yes po.
Kung ano ang nilalaman ng TRO na yan, at anong pinagbabawal dyan, o anong saklaw niyan, hindi po ninyo alam.
Hindi na po.
Alright. Hindi ninyo rin alam kung paano lumabas yan TRO na yan.
Yes po. Yes, sir.
At ang nalaman lamang ninyo, basta may TRO ang inilabas.
Yun lang po.
That will be all. Salamat po ng marami. Thank you very much.
Thank you po, yes, sir.
May redirect ba?
No redirect, Your Honor.
Salamat po.
No, the cross is over. No redirect. The witness is discharged.
Your Honor, we have one more witness.
Salamat.
Sorry, Your Honor.
Thank you.
You have another witness?
We have one more witness for cross.
This is the last one.
Yes, Your Honor. Danilo Piedad.
Bring him in.
May we ask that Danilo Piedad please come to the witness stand.